Good morning, Miss. I want to explain my task about the language bahasa. First of all, my name Jose Julius Wicaksono, NIM 1723 0902 and class 17 5B and Point 0 Bina Sarana Informatika Kaliabang. For the slide 1, the technology functional and part of the computer, understanding computer system and component. First of all, introducing component computer overview. A computer function of various part is with a specification function, understanding the component action the user experience and help the troubleshooting, upgrading and bully system. And the next sub component categories. Component categories: input device, keyboard, mouse, output device, monitor and speaker, processing unit, CPU and GPU, storage device, HDD, SSD, computer screen. Computer screen function: display the visual output of the computer. Monitor type: CRT monitor, tube screen, large and heavier, mostly obviously. LED atau LED monitor, think in the like screen, more energy efficient. OLED monitor, screen with sharper color, common use and high monitor. And the next slide, keyboard function, input device for typing and command. Layout: QWERTY, the most common layout. AJRT, the default version of the different language of efficiency. Special key, fungsi key, F1 first until F12 from specific text. Modification key, control, alt tab, shift, enable key and shortcut. And the next slide, mouse function, pointing device for negotiation, navigation and selection. Types: optional mouse, used like the regular movement, laser mouse, higher accuracy, work and more accuracy. Trackable mouse, futurable for hand movement and good small space. Additional feature: scroll and side button for the navigation. The another slide, motherboard function, the main circuit board, the connect all the component. Chipset, manage data flow between the CPU, memory and peripheral, affects compatibility and performance. Slot, various slot for CPU, RAM, expansion card, determination upgrade option. PC tower function, house and protect internal component. Type: mini tower for component system, mid tower, standard site for document, full tower, large space for expansion. Airflow condition, good ventilation, prevent overheating. Strictly place face enough even airflow. CPU or central processing unit function, the brain of the computer, perform calculation and processing. Performance metrics: clock speed, measure in gigahertz in kilohertz per second. Correct the time multiplies corral processing of the multitask simultaneously. CPU or graphic card function, generate image and video, enhance graphic performance. Type integrate graphic built into the CPU, subtitle from general use, dedicated graphic card for powerful with in memory VRAM. The importance of VRAM, advanced performance in graphic SSD tasks. The next, webcam function, chapter video for communication and streaming, qualitas metric, resolution, higher resolution, 720x40 pixel and until 1800 pixel and 4K, result in clear video. Frame rate, measure in frame per second, PPS, a higher rate provider, smooth playback, and application, live streaming, and a content creator. RAM, a random access memory. Function, typography source for data currently being processed of the CPU. Speed, faster access time compared to store device, essential for multitasking and running application smoothly. Capacity, measure in GB atau GB, more RAM or running more application simulation without slowing down. Speaker, output device the admit audio signal from the computer. Type stereo, basic 2 channel sound, surround sound, multi-type speaker, and impressive audio experience. Connectly option 3.5mm jack, USB, Bluetooth, and flexible setup. And the next, computer fan. Function, keep the component cool by corrosion air. Types, case fan, manage overall airflow, CPU cooler, especially for cooling the processor. Airflow direction, fans can be configured to draw cool air on air out, good airflow, and longevity. Function, transmission, audio, and signal, computer to computer, the monitor, version, HDMI version 4.5, 2.0, 2.1, super different resolution, and device test. Importance, HDMI cable, simply connecting by transmission with audio and over a single cable reduction router. Mini PC, function, compact computer design for basic tasks. Design, house essential component in a small form factor, ideal from the limit space. Use case, subtitle for a small office, home media center, and general web browsing. SSD driver or solid state driver. Function, store device they use to store source data, significantly faster than traditional high DB in the times data access of the boot time. Durability, has not moving part making high SSD more sensitive to PCB shock and damage. Hard disk drive or hard DD. Function, traditional storage in device, use spinning platter to read or write data, perform slow than SSD, especially in terms of data access and boot time. Capacity, journal of the large storage capacity at a more affordable price SSDs, ideal from Blockstore. VGA cable, function, connect to computer to monitor, transferring video signal. Technology, older analog standard, main use for the connecting monitor and some LCD. Quality, limited resolution compared to digital connection, typical support 1080 pixel. Wireless cable or Wi-Fi antenna, function, facility wireless communication from network. Types, internal antenna built into the device or external antenna from the signal amplification. Important, allow the device to connect to Wi-Fi home network, providing internet access and communication with other device. PCI Wi-Fi card. Function: provide wireless network connection for the desktop computer. Installed and available PC slot on motherboard. Feature: support various Wi-Fi standards, 8G, 5 Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 4 for the rates and range. DVD reader. Function: read data from DVD, CDSD. Used: component usually from playing media, installing software, and reading. Type: DVD, and then resource path, view the picture or the other video.